Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that, you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that, you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Today's video is an unboxing of my first Candlefish library box. I mentioned Candlefish, at least in my last Candles Empty. They're a company that I like a lot. They make their own candles, and that's what this is. They sell a lot of other candles too, but these are their own. And they have a monthly subscription service, $30 a month, and if you do it for a year, it ends up being $28 a month, so you do save money if you pay for the whole year. I did 3 months just to kind of see what it was about, and I'm opening it now for the first time. So this is the box that it comes in, and then it's sealed and pretty. Comes with 3 candles, and they curate it based on the time of season, like the time of year. All right, and here it is open. So I have 3 candles and this little card inside, and I'll put information in the description box down below about it too. So it comes with this little guy, and one card looks like a general thing. Hooray, welcome to the library box by Candlefish. We're excited to guide you through the world of fragrance. What you can expect. Each month we select 3 fragrances for you to experience from the Candlefish library. Our fragrance library contains 100 unique fragrances made from 100% soy wax, hand poured with care in Charleston, South Carolina. You'll find a fragrance for every mood, occasion, and preference. These 2.5-ounce travel candles will burn for 15 to 20 hours each and are best enjoyed in smaller rooms like bathrooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. And then they do come in a larger size. And then they give you some tips on the other side about candle care 101, trimming the wick, burning it for a certain amount of time, extinguishing and storing. So nice handy tips to have there. And then this is the May box. It says April showers bring May amber scented candles, the Candlefish Chandlers. And then there are 3 of them here. So one does look like a library card. It's nice. Like not a library card, but the ones that you get when you go to the library. So this one is, oh, and they're all numbered. So this is 38, this is the first one. Apricot, peony, and amber. The amber is really, it's an interesting combination. I don't think I would buy this in a large size, but it's definitely interesting to have. Oh, and then the box says sniff. When you take out the candle, it says sniff in there. That is 38. The next one is 67, and it is lemon, tarragon, and amber. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. And this one says share. I'll put the box up in the end. Ooh, God, yeah, I really am getting the lemon and the tarragon. A little bit of the warmth from the amber, but really the lemon and the tarragon are interesting together. I would definitely buy this as a full size. Very fresh. Oh, and these all have amber in them, which is why it says April showers bring May amber scented candles. So this is 83, and this is bergamot, jasmine, and amber. That's interesting. That's kind of like tobacco. Oh, I like that. I will see how this burns. Sometimes what you smell on a cold sniff when you're smelling it is different from what it smells like when you're burning it. But if it maintains this kind of tobacco scent while I'm burning it, I definitely would consider buying a whole one. So this is interesting. I'm going to burn these, and I'll also burn them together. I wonder what they'd be like burned together. And this is what the inside of the box looks like in the end. It says sniff, share, and hashtag the library box. So yeah, I have at least 2 more of these coming, and they'll be summery, which will be interesting. So I'm assuming kind of flowers and tropic, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned, I'll do more. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate the time that you took to spend with me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.